In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude AI with Apify so you can trigger scraping or automation workflows through API requests. We're going to keep this simple and practical. The goal is to let Claude help you interact with your Apify workflow more directly, whether that means processing data, triggering an actor, or using a connector platform if that fits your setup better. Before you begin, make sure you already have access to both your Apify account and Claude AI so you can move through the setup without interruptions. Start by logging into your Apify dashboard. Once you're inside, go to your account settings and locate your API token. This token acts like a secure access key that allows external tools to communicate with your Apify account. You'll want to copy it carefully and, as always, treat it like sensitive information. Don't share it publicly, don't paste it into unsafe places, and be mindful of where you store it. Next, open Claude AI and begin a new prompt. Starting with a fresh prompt helps keep the interaction clean and focused, especially if you're asking Claude to help with a specific automation task. At this point, you're preparing Claude with the context it needs to work with your Apify setup. Now provide your Apify API key within your prompt and clearly explain what you want Claude to do. For example, you might instruct it to help process information or trigger an Apify actor using API requests. The more precise your wording is, the better the result will usually be. If you already know the actor you want to run, mention that context clearly so the workflow stays focused. If you prefer not to work directly with API requests, you can also use a connector platform such as Make or Zapier for a more guided integration between tools. That option can be especially helpful if you want a more no-code or low-code setup. Once your prompt is ready, run it. This is the step where Claude executes the instruction flow you've given it, allowing your Apify web scraping or automation workflow to be triggered through the setup you described. After that, review the response carefully to confirm the action completed as expected. If something doesn't work on the first try, refine the wording of your prompt and be more specific about the task, endpoint, or expected result. That's it. You've now connected the idea of conversational prompting with real automation through Apify, giving you a faster and more flexible way to launch workflows directly from Claude.